For this assignment on character change, we're going to be looking at Rosalinda again in Under the Lemon Moon. She's the main character in the story, and we're going to be talking about character change, or how does Rosalinda change during the story from the beginning to the end. And so after watching this short video on character traits and character development, you're going to watch my video, which will be right next to it here, that will show you how to complete the Google assignment. So the first thing you're going to do is make a copy of it. And if you make a copy of it, again, you're either going to share a screenshot and upload a screenshot, or you're going to be sharing this. And this happens to be an item that I want you to share with me. So right away, before you even do it, you're just going to share. Start typing my name and then share. Okay, so now I can go ahead and begin to do it. And so I want to make sure that I put in the title, and the title is Under the Lemon Moon, and the author is Edith Hope Fine. And you can find both of these things on the previous page. I have a picture, a screenshot of the cover of the story, and our character name is Rosalinda. Okay, so in this one, what you're going to be doing is the character changes throughout the story. So in the beginning of the story, what you want to do is you want to think about what the problem was in the story, and think about what did Rosalinda do in the beginning of the story, what did she say, and how did she feel. Then think about the middle of the story, the big part in the middle of the story. What were some things that she did? What were some things that she said? And what were some things that she felt? And then at the end of the story, when she learned her lesson about something, you can write, what did she do? What did she say? And how did she feel? Okay? Once you're done with that, you've already shared it, so you won't need to share it again. So once you're done with that, then I want you to just think about how our character changes throughout the story.